So what about AppLocker and BitLocker? How are these new features helping SMB administrators better manage security on the desktops?
Two very different technologies. So the BitLocker is a mechanism that allows you to essentially put password control or encryption control over the entire disk that makes up, for example, a desktop or a laptop. So somebody loses a laptop, it gets left on a plane somewhere. With BitLocker, you can configure that disk. If somebody tries to turn it on, see what's on that disk, well, you can configure it so that they're not going to be able to see it. The data is encrypted with BitLocker. This is different than EFS, encrypting file system, which can be used to encrypt files inside the disk. BitLocker does the entire disk, which is great if you're in one of those compliance-controlled industries where you do not want data loss to occur. Now, AppLocker is an interesting story. AppLocker is one of those technologies that you just don't see implemented in many places, but is exceptionally powerful for improving your security posture. What AppLocker can do, in and amongst other things, is create an environment of approved execution, or essentially, you identify what applications you have specifically allowed to run, the whitelisting approach, and then everything else gets denied. So all of a sudden, your SMB network really only runs the applications that you have approved and that you know are not going to cause problems. AppLocker all by itself is a really important security functionality that you just don't see in a lot of places, but could very easily significantly improve that security posture.